Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how you can create a ton of different shapes and a bunch of cool patterns really quickly in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump into it. So as always, we're going to open up a new file. For this one, 1920 by 1080 is fine. The first thing that we're going to do is draw a circle. You're going to want to up that stroke weight to 4 if you're in a 1920 by 1080 document, but do something similar to this stroke weight versus the full document, whatever size you decide to do. It's obviously going to vary on your document size. Then we're going to make the height and the width of this circle 500. From there, what we're going to do is click on the circle, hit your C key, which will bring up the scissors tool. You can see over here. You can also click it in that spot. And then we'll cut here and we'll cut here, which will leave you with this piece selected, and we're just going to delete that. So go back to our V key, our main selection tool, and we will select this circle or semicircle or quarter circle, whatever you'd call it. Anyways, next what we're going to do is jump up to our effects panel and go to distort and transform, and then down here to transform. This will bring up this window, the transform effect window, and we're going to switch the horizontal scale to 95 and then vertical scale also to 95. Then we'll jump down here to our copies and we'll switch this to 90. And then from there, what we'll do is click on this bottom left corner, and from here is where you can kind of have some fun and play with making a bunch of different shapes. So by changing the angle, we can get a ton of different cool patterns out of this circle. Yeah, this is an awesome thing to play around with, cool thing to put into your design work, and a great way to get a bunch of different shapes. You can also play around with the horizontal and vertical scale, which will obviously yield a bunch of different results. Additionally, you can play around with where things are pinned, which is essentially just going to move the center anchor point around. Also, if you're not seeing things change live when you are changing these values, you can click this little preview tab down here, which will allow you to see the preview. You can also, up the amount of copies that you have and play with getting a bunch of cool shapes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you found this video helpful, it'd be awesome if you'd leave a like. And if you want to see more like it in the future, it would be great if you'd subscribe. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.